Hello there guys, Francis Gray here and welcome back to part 2 of the Guardian of the Golden Fleece Hydra model kit from the epic movie Jason and the Argonauts made by Saturn Ltd. So in part 1 basically we put the main base together. So the main base came together in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's like 6 parts. So it all had to be housed on one base. So that's all done now. So in today's video we're going to be continuing on with the second part of the kit, which is Jason himself in his heroic pose with a shield in this arm, sword in this arm, and he's kind of looking up at the Hydra like that. So it should be a fun one. So I will see you after this. Okay guys, so welcome back to part 2 of the Jason the Argonauts, the Guardian of the Golden Fleece build. And in this video we are going to be concentrating on Jason himself. So as you can see there's only 3 parts to this, but it's going to be a lot of intricate work painting all the details on his armour and his shield. So I thought this warranted a whole video just to itself because it's such a big overall build. So yeah, let's crack on with getting all these parts filed down, because you can see we have a lot of resin skein and some gnarly looking seam lines, and especially on the shield here. Okay, let's get sanding. Okay, so now that these parts are all filed down and a lot smoother and they fit a lot better as well, for the next stage we're going to go ahead and start painting this. So I think I might start by going in with some black primer. Okay, so now that this is nicely given a black base coat, we need to start adding some of the metallic colours. So with the client only collecting metallic paint jobs, for this first stage I'm going to go in with just some normal metallic copper. And for the next part I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that black primer, but this time it's going to be very watered down, and we're just going to go all over, get into all nooks and crannies, and then we're going to gently wipe away the excess with some clean kitchen towel. Okay, so you can see the difference between the top half and the bottom half. So this looks a lot more detailed than what that does. Okay, so now that that's dry, for the next stage we need to lighten things up with a little bit of metallic bronze and a dry brush. For the next part I'm going to go in with some metallic classic gold, and same again, light dry brush over all parts. Okay, so now that all undercoat metallics have been painted on Jason, for the next stage we need to go in with some detail and colours. So I'm going to start with just normal blank white. And now we're in with a tiny bit of rouge. And now for the next part I'm going to go in with some metallic black. And now we're in with a little bit of silver. And for the next part I'm going to go in with some metallic classic gold. Okay, so he's almost finished now, but with this being a metallic paint job I want to go over the white areas with a little bit of pearl medium. Okay, so now that all the main parts are painted, for the next stage I'm going to go in with some super glue. I'm going to go ahead and glue all the parts. Okay, that's one Jason painted and made. Okay, so for the next part we're going to go ahead and hit this with a coat of gloss varnish. So that's for two reasons. One, we want to go ahead and we want to protect the paint job that we've already done. And two, once this dries glossy, this will really make the metallics pop. Okay, so for the next part we need to go ahead and add the pin system, otherwise Jason won't actually sit into the base itself. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go in with some tiny little bits of steel, which is going to work nicely for a peg. Now wish me luck, because this could go horribly wrong. Fingers crossed it doesn't. Okay, that seems to fit really nice, so we need to go ahead and add a little bit of super glue into there. Okay, that's peg number 1 done. And then there's the second one. Okay, so here he is, all finished, and all we have to do now is apply him to the base. Yay! So as you can see there he is, now attached to the base, and I have to admit I am really happy with how this is coming along. So I'm really enjoying myself, so thank you for watching part 2, and please come back for part 3, where we'll be tackling the main beast itself, the Hydra. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share on Facebook and X, because it helps new people find the YouTube channel, which I'm always appreciative. Thank you for any help. If you have any comments, comment below and get back to you as soon as possible. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future builds. And if you want to be a legend review, please just take 5 minutes to check out my Patreon page, where with your help and support we can do more videos like this full time rather than part time, which means a whole lot more content for you guys and a bit more work for me. Yay! So all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and me myself, I can't wait for part 3. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I'm Francis Gray, and this has been part 2 of the Guardian of the Golden Fleece resin model kit. I'll see you in part 3.